use in cricket matches. Cricket is one of the most popular sports in the world, and it keeps adding new dynamics to the game. All these dynamics have been either brought about by increase in competition or use of new tools. AI is one such tool that has completely transformed the game. Batsins. Most bats that are used in international cricket are powered with a sensor chip and are known as batsins. The sensor would generate data for every stroke a batsman plays. It has storage on board to retain session information and Bluetooth connectivity to enable real-time data transfer. The sensor measures a variety of things like bat speed when playing a shot, power twist of the ball hit from the bat, quality of the shot. Bowling chips. Each ball in modern-day cricket is fitted with sensor chips which are called smart balls and provide speed of the ball when it leaves the bowler's hand and after it pitches, length of the ball, degree of turn and swing spin. Third umpire. The role of a third umpire is extremely crucial to a match, and they are given many tools to bring out the correct decision when the on-field umpire needs their help. Their decision review system or DRS is powered by AI, and some examples of it are Sneakometer, Hotspot, and Hawkeye. Duckworth-Levy's method. This is a relatively older method but still finds relevance in today's game. The DL method is a mathematical rule used to find out results in games that are interrupted by rain or other unavoidable factors in the limited overs format. This method takes two key factors into account: number of overs remaining in the match and number of wickets lost by the chasing team. Match analysis. AI is also used to predict and analyze certain outcomes, both before and during a match. This machine learning model helps in analyzing venue pitch conditions, predicted score of a team according to run rate, a batsman's record against spin versus pace, ideal bowling length of a bowler, probable match winner according to the status of the game, etc. These are some of the ways where we can find the application of AI in cricket.